So friends, according to the latest leak, the iPhone SE4 is rumored to be priced a little higher than its predecessor iPhone SE3. And the Apple is planning to release its next generation iPhone SE this year after 2 years. In 2025, the company is expected to bring several improvements over its predecessor, the iPhone SE3. For instance, the upcoming phone is rumored to come with a big display and design change. While the design will continue to feature a single camera shooter, the display may come as 6-inch. This is not the only change we may encounter. According to the latest leak, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has shared that the iPhone SE4 may witness a price hike. The iPhone SE4 is expected to see a price increase compared to its 2022 predecessor, which was priced at $429. According to Mark Gurman, the price could rise to around $500, though this may vary depending on manufacturing location and applicable taxes. This aligns with earlier leaks, adding credibility to the speculations. A report from Korean outlet Neva, citing an unnamed Japanese carrier, suggests the iPhone SE4 will likely to be priced at $500 or lower, consistent with previous rumors about a $499 price point. The iPhone SE4, also rumored to be called the iPhone 16e, is set to bring significant upgrades, marking a departure from its predecessor. Moving away from the iPhone 8 inspired design, the new model is expected to adopt a look similar to the iPhone 14, offering a more modern and impressive experience. The device will feature a 6-inch OLED display, replacing the 4.7-inch LCD, delivering super visual quality akin to Apple's high-end models. A major design change includes the transition from the Touch ID home button to Face ID, resulting in slimmer bezels and a more contemporary appearance. The iPhone 16e will reportedly share the same screen size and edge-to-edge design as the standard iPhone 16, creating a cohesive aesthetic across Apple's lineup. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.